Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, EV Riders. Today we will discuss the most expected next-gen 2025 BMW X6, a sedan that is stylish and comfortable for buyers. The 2025 BMW X6 maintains its position as a slope-roofed SUV that rivals the conventionally formed X5 SUV. In exchange for a more rakish, though still divisive profile, it loses some luggage space and rear passenger headroom. The 2025 X6 receives a significant facelift for 2024, along with a few minor tech upgrades. As part of the driving assistance professional package, the X6 now comes equipped with BMW's Highway Assistant hands-free driving assistance. The interior of the X6 closely resembles that of the majority of the current BMW series. This implies that the dashboard is dominated by two sizable 12.3-inch digital screens and is filled with high-end materials and soft touch surfaces. BMW offers upgrades such as built-in navigation, enhanced USB ports, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Even while the rear seat can accommodate two adults comfortably, it has less headroom and legroom than the boxier X5, by roughly 2 and 3 inches, respectively. The 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine of the X6 xDrive 40i generates 375 horsepower and is mated to an 8-speed automated transmission with all-wheel drive. It is part of a 48-volt hybrid system. Its suspension was never harsh, even if it is firmer than the 6-cylinder X6 setup we examined. The maximum towing capacity for the X6 is 7,200 pounds. According to EPA calculations, the X6 xDrive 40i can get up to 26 mpg on the interstate and 23 mpg in the city. When upgrading to the M60i xDrive, which has a twin-turbo V8 engine, efficiency reduces to 17 mpg in the city and 22 mpg freeway. The price of the 2025 BMW X6 starts at $75,495 and goes up to $95,495, depending on the trim and options. BMW offers powertrain and limited warranties that are comparable to those of competing luxury manufacturers like Mercedes-Benz and Audi. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles, and powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. What you think about 2025 BMW X6? Please let me know in comment section, and thanks for watching till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. Until next time, visit www.evriders.com for EVS and the latest car news. See you later.